So, ito ni-update sa common station. So, nandito tayo sa may SM North EDSA. So, yun na yung connect dun sa Roosevelt Station. So, from Roosevelt, hindi ko alam kung paano to. Yung kasi yung luma. Ito bago. In fairness, ang tagal na itong project na to. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin tapos, no? Ano kayang problema?
The North Triangle Common Station, officially designated as the Unified Grand Central Station and North EDSA for the MRT Line 7, commonly known as the Common Station or North Triangle Station, is an under-construction rapid transit terminal and transport hub that will connect LRT Line 1, MRT Line 3, and MRT Line 7, and the nearby Metro Manila subway. It is located in Bagong Pag-asa, Quezon City, Philippines, and is named after its location, which is at the corner of EDSA and North Avenue. The common alignment had been in limbo for years since the Department of Transportation and Communications, DOTC, now Department of Transportation, DOTR, reviewed the project's technical and financial components. It was in January 2017 that an agreement was reached to build the station. The groundbreaking of the station was held at the North Triangle Transport Terminal in September 2017. The station was initially expected to fully open in January 2021, but repeated delays have set back its opening to January 2025.
Nag-invest ang SM sa ayan para magkaroon ng parang comfortable walkway yung mga tao, yung mga commuters. So coming from yung mga passenger ng train, so parang sila mahirap pumunta sa SM. So magkaroon sila ng ganong partnership. So ito na siya. Ayan siya. Common station. Yun ang common station. Better not cry! Telling you why Santa Claus coming to town. So yun ang common station. This is coming. Kung walang ganito, ang dami na nadulas dito. Yun o. Kung walang ganyan. Santa Claus is coming to town. Baby. Charot.
Mas nakakabusado pa na ngayon yung finance.
So ang hilig na SM so ganito no, yung mga Sky Garden. Nawili sila. Starbucks. So let's check dito. Ito kasi magandang view. Anong building ito? So ayan no. Ito yung magandang view. Ayan. So ayun. Ay hindi, ano to? Parang station to, North Avenue Station ng MRT 7. While this one, ito yung common station talaga. O tinatawag. So parang in-integrate yung MRT at saka LRT1. So itong linya na to is LRT1 yan. An extension. So from Roosevelt, LRT1 yan. So kaya naging common station to. Tapos and then if you're going to Bulacan, meron niyang passage going dito sa MRT7 station. Pero bakit may mga poste pang ganyan? Para saan yan? Anong connect nila? Parang ano siya, hindi. Ay, ano nga po? Ano yan? Ano yung ano na to? Tapos, alam ko, lalanding yan dyan. Sa may ano, dun yung sa may ginagawang West Avenue yun eh. West Avenue ba yan? O EDSA yan? Hindi, ito yung EDSA eh. Doon West. So yun no, may ginagawa kasi doon ano. May ginagawa. So Skyway. So sa taas na ito. Ang labo. Anyway, malalaman natin sa mga pag medyo tapos-tapos na siya. So ito yung tsura ng North Avenue. And that is EDSA. And that is West Avenue. So, what tayo doon?
Wow!
Ay, hindi natin natapos yung ano. Sige lang. So, from SM North, if you're going to Ayala, Trinoma, dito or doon. Ay, sorry. Dito or doon. Ayun, may daanan doon. Yung silong na yun. Going to Trinoma, pwede. Ito naman is if you're going to saan ba to? Parang mali yung ano ko. Ito is kung pupunta ka na sa North. Ito eh. Sige. So, siguro magkakaroon dito ng walkway or something. Ay, ito na yung ano. Common station. Nakakatakot ako na ano? Umaano siya? Gumagalaw. Yan. Yan o. Ito hindi ko maintindihan tong poste na to para saan to. Anong connect niya? Anyway. So from here, tignan nyo guys ha. From here, kung gusto mong pumunta ng ano, kung sasakay mo puntang MRT, napakakasal o lalakarin mo yan. Mahaba ka dyan, ano lalakarin mo papunta doon. Ang layo, diba? So mas convenient kung galing ka ng ano ha, SM, doon ka na lang bumaba sa kabila, tapos diretso na yan, Ayala, Trinoma, tapos doon ka na sa makipapuntang MRT. So yun, hassle nga lang talaga. Okay, thank you. That's all for now guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Grabe. Grabe kung daanan to. Ayan yun. Dito ang lusot niyan eh. Saan magkakaroon ng trending? Charot. Ayan no, ito yung ginagawa nila dito sa West Avenue. LRT yan? Extension to ng LRT dito? Posible, di ba? So magkakaroon din ng station dito ang LRT. Oh, talaga ba? Magkakaroon ng ano, West Avenue Station ng LRT. Kasi yan oh. Connect siya dyan oh. LRT yan. Kasi galing sa LRT 7. Sa MRT 7 yan. So yung MRT 7 pala dito galing. Okay. Sana dire-diretso na rin nila to sa ano, Quezon Avenue no? Charot. Pwede, why not? O diba, may basura.
Construction. The groundbreaking ceremony of the station was held on September 29, 2017, marking the start of construction. 3 areas were designated for the project, with each area with its own developers. Area A, which will host a platform and concourse for Lines 1 and 3, will be developed by the Department of Transportation. Area B, which covers 2 concourses that will connect areas A and C, will be developed by North Triangle Depot Commercial Corporation, an affiliate of Ayala Land. San Miguel Corporation will develop and finance Area C, which will host the Line 7 platform. By January 2017, the projected cost for the station was 2.8 billion peso. The construction of Area A is carried out by BF Corporation and Foresight Development and Surveying Company. The contract for the construction of Area A was signed on February 13, 2019. The Area A involves a spur line branching from Line 1's portion, reusing the previously dug foundations originally intended for the station in front of SM North EDSA for its pier beams. All steel girders will be used. As of January 31, 2023, the station is 79.72% complete. The station was originally supposed to open in January 2021, but mainly due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which affected manpower as well as construction logistics delays, the station opening was postponed to June 2023, with full operations expected to begin by 2025. Issues such as utilities relocation, the aforementioned pandemic-related issues, and systems upgrades, such as signaling and automated fare collection, contributed to repeated completion delays. In April, additional delays have pushed back the opening of the common station to the end of 2023. A delay in payments to the contractor also impacted construction progress, which delayed the opening to January 2024. According to a documentary by Reporter's Notebook, as of July 2024, the station is 81.49% complete and is expected to open in January 2025.
Yan. So, nakakapanginain din natanggalin siya kasi from Trinoma, pwede ka na makasakay dyan eh. So, pero pwede rin naman dito kasi Trinoma pa rin naman to eh. So, yan. Pwede rin. Ewan ko sa kanila kung anong gagawin nila dyan. Kung anong plano. Ang tagal-tagal pa naman yan. Siguro mga ano pa yan. 5 years pa yan. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you for watching talaga. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Please share this video to your friends, family, or your loved ones. Love, 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 love.